The calm before the storm. Dun, dun, dun. Wires to be fed. Those two at the same time. This one after. It's a working plan. Gonna climb up the ladder with them. Take the end here. And then feed both through that little hole. Yeah, and my dad will pull them between the floors of the house out towards the electrical box in the garage. He's on his way this way with wires as we speak. And so those wires that come out of the hole take down the ladder this way, around this wall for the bathroom. It's gonna be a walk-in closet with laundry. And walk this way, it gives extra wiring. We're not gonna take it to that box, we're gonna take it to this blue box over here. Yeah, so a morning project for the bathroom audition. How's it going, Dad? Can you hear me? Do you want to go check out the hole? Let's go check out the hole. So that's between the upper third level and second level in the house. That's cool.